In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove users in Hubspot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring new teammates into your Hubspot account, give them the right level of access, and safely remove users who no longer need it. Let's start with adding a new user. First, head into your Hubspot settings. You'll find this by clicking the gear icon, usually in the top navigation bar. Once you're in Settings, look for the section called Users and Teams. This is the central place where you manage everyone who has access to your Hubspot account. In the top right corner, click Create User. This opens a panel where you'll enter the new person's email address. Make sure you type the email carefully because HubSpot will send the invitation directly to this address. Once you've entered it, click Next. Now you'll decide how to set this user's permissions. HubSpot gives you three options here. You can start with a template, copy permissions from an existing user, or start from scratch. Templates are great if you're adding a standard role, like a marketer or a sales rep. Copying from a user is helpful when someone new should have the same access as an existing teammate. Starting from scratch is best when you need very specific, customized access. After you choose your method, you'll see all the permission toggles for tools like CRM, marketing, sales, and other areas of HubSpot. Take a moment to think about what this person actually needs to do. For example, a sales rep might need access to contacts, deals, and tasks, but not necessarily to high-level account settings. Turn on only the permissions that match their responsibilities. When you're done configuring everything, click Next. Finally, click Send. HubSpot will email an invitation to the address you entered. The user will need to accept that invite to finish setting up their account, so it's a good idea to let them know to check their inbox and spam folder. Now let's walk through how to remove a user. Go back to the same place, click the gear icon for settings, then open Users and Teams. You'll see a list of everyone with access to your account. Find the person you want to remove and check the box next to their name. At the top of the table, click Remove from Account. HubSpot will show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to do this. Review it carefully, then click Remove User to confirm. That user will lose access to your HubSpot account while your records and data remain in the